Cars and Coffee's time, guys. It's been a while. Car needs to be wiped down. Have some urban showing with me with a nice brand new fibre cloth. Let's get to the local meetup, Ballymount Apple Green in Dublin, Ireland. So, let's go. He's clean. Let's go. Aaron came in the family mobile. Here, Reaper, look. It's your favourite thing. You know Aaron's standing over here at the 300s, dreaming away. Aaron, I didn't think there'd be a scrapyard here, Wayne said. Ooh, that. Ooh. Winter. Just as Wayne said, oh, there's no more MR2s here. A red one drives by, that's much nicer than his. Mini! Your favourite car in the world. Favourite car in the world. Those are us.
On the far side.
What's it say? Has me sticker on it. Deadly. Legend. Cars and Coffee super busy this morning. Very nice to see all the cars turning out. Nice Bimmer. Gorgeous M3. Lovely. VC36. Lovely. And then the MR2 that Wayne's coming to see. Where is Aaron when you need him? Found a lovely old Volvo for him, an actual real Volvo, not like his one. Look at that bad boy. That's cool. Minter. Wow. He's immaculate. Yeah. Like, silly clean. What a turnout for you, the CARZ&COFFEE. Look at this. Like all the way down. The whole estate. Well done. So nice to see the car community out. No messing about. Just cruising around. Nice Lexus Sora there. That's really nice. Hyundai, no. But yeah, so nice to see everyone turn up. No messing about. A few minis. My mini. There's another mini over there I'm actually going to go over and have a look at. But yeah, so nice to see such a big turnout. What's the story? How are you?
Long time no see.
Yeah, you too, living the dream. Just looking at more minis, you know? Always looking at minis.
Yeah.
You know, how are you? When you have too much money and not know what to buy. Buy a Maserati. Oh, new parts. What the fuck? Yeah, told you they're short and fat. Yeah, it's mad. Deadly. Ooh. Ouch. Look at that Hyundai. On the beat, little red on the beat.
And they had so many cappuccinos. They had one.
That's so cool. And then St. Glances, here's the last one. Juice box. Really clean, really mint. Dirty but lovely. that's it guys, really nice turnout with CARZ&COFFEE. Really did enjoy myself. Wayne came out in his MR2, a few of my mates came out as well, Reaper came out in the little Wolseley Hornet. So yeah, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more obviously, and thanks for watching. Peace out and be dedicated.